Holy shit! Oh, yeah,
dude! Good day, YouTube people. How's everybody doing today? Hope everybody's enjoying their weekend and having a good time and staying happy, staying positive, and staying in the mindset. You know what I mean? How many times I gotta repeat myself? Just always a constant reminder, guys. That's all you gotta do. It's all about that headspace, that mindset. Set your goals and tack them head on. Keep being rock stars. Keep being the best version of yourself. Today is Flashback Friday. We're gonna go ahead and get some flashbacks today. So let's go ahead and get into it. Let's do this. Today's flashback, I'm gonna go ahead and go back a decade, a whole decade, guys. Yes, 4th of July of 2009. You guys can see what David and I were up to. We were up to some shenanigans. We were being wild and crazy and goofing off. So I hope you guys enjoy that. I figured it was appropriate with it being 4th of July and all the holidays and everything. Why not? So please enjoy Flashback Friday. Wow. What's up, Brian? Deadzone24 here with my buddy David, director of photography. Don't do that. It's going on YouTube.
Oh, I can't do this.
It's July 4th, 2009, and we are celebrating whatever today is, fireworks day. I just had a brain fart.
July 4th, Independence Day.
That's right, fireworks. And we're gonna celebrate. I found this firework that I've never heard of before, so we're gonna test it out. It's called a ladybug, and it's on the other side of the car. Ooh, I shouldn't have said that. I gotta bleep that out now. Here's the ladybugs. We're gonna shoot one off to see what it looks like, because I've never done one.
We're gonna put it in your butt, and then we're gonna shoot it. Why would you do that?
That's how we do things.
It's not cool. That's how we do things on Deadzone24. Put things in people's butts with fire. So watch it. Subscribe immediately, or I'll put this in your butt.
Alrighty, guys, it's ladybug time. Get me liking this stuff.
Holy shit! Oh, yeah, dude! Watch it, watch it, watch it! Oh shit!
That's fucking smart, dude.
Yeah! Got a bottle rocket.
What are you gonna do with that? Besides stick it in your butt?
Clustering bees rocket. And when you do it with my butt, I'll do it with my butt. Let's do this in my butt. Give me the lighter. What?
Say it.
This is a bad idea. Don't try this at home.
Hey, you should come outside and watch.
He just did it before I did.
Watch David shoot a fire
this is
or a bottle rocket out of his
People
pants.
yelling out. I don't even hear any bangs. I'm a sparkler.
Yeah, just come out to the front porch. Okay. All right. He's coming, dude.
Is he?
Yeah.
He's gonna tell me this is a bad idea. My legs shake.
Dude, this looks funny, dude.
The only thing that's gonna happen, dude, is it's gonna fucking...
I got it in a good spot. Someone throw me a lighter. Someone hand me a lighter. Because I am the shit. Doing this the whole time?
Yeah.
It was like, I didn't move either. That was nice. Oh.
You cool?
Yeah. It was really hot.
What's up?
Do it again.
What's up? Look. Yes, dude, that would be funny. Hey, what's that? Now you see me? Now you don't. Dude, the ladybug goes like 100 feet in the air, dude. This is hardcore.
Like 200, dude.
Yeah, from ladybug. What's up? What's up? Dude, get that away from me.
It's not that close.
That was awesome.
Do that again.
Did you film that?
Alright, yeah.
Lock and load.
Okay, hold up.
You gonna stand behind us again?
Yes.
Better get a sweet angle. I'll be mad.
I'm recording
Mr.
it right
Director.
now.
Yep. Well, we're not actually hiding. We're actually just sitting in my driveway wide open for you. I'm gonna shoot it over your car.
Try.
Hit the windshield.
Dude, watch Casey hit your windshield and break it again. Are you, Michael, are you on the street yet? Michael, is that you? I hear a car.
Did that hurt? Oh shit! Oh yeah! Yes! Yeah! Yeah! Oh my god! Hurt my finger, man. Where'd it hit? Where'd it hit? Oh. Oh.
Oh, it's nothing. It's nothing. We're cool.
That was awesome. Oh. Rocky went that way. I hurt my finger.
That's gonna go in instant slow-mo replay.
It went straight. Went.
I saw.
Yeah, let it burn halfway. That's gonna shoot in the wrong place. Oh, dude.
I burned my thumb.
Out of the way. This is how you play with your pee-pee, kid. This is how you play with pee-pee. See pee-pee? Yeah. Best nut I ever had.
Yeah, did you guys enjoy Flashback Friday? I sure hope so, because we created some great memories. It was good times, and I love that I could share them with you guys here on this platform. Now, Sarah and I are taking off yet again, back on the road to head home and visit with family and friends again. Except more Sarah visiting this time than me. I'm going back to town to work. I gotta work all weekend for Baller TV. It's a new job I got. It's basically the same as Riverbender. I basically do less work for the same amount of pay, so ain't nothing wrong with that. So most likely another vlog won't return until Monday or Tuesday, so hope you guys look forward to that. Enjoy your weekend, please stay safe, always stay happy, stay positive, stay in the mindset. So please feel free to like and share, comment below, and we will see you all tomorrow. Technically not tomorrow, but I'll see you guys in the next one. Alright? Alright.
Subscribe immediately, or I'll put this in your butt.